In this video we will look at the Motorola DM4400e. Attach the mains lead to the back on the unit and plug the other end into a UK mains socket. A desktop mobile has various antenna options. The first antenna option is a mag mount, which has a magnetic base. This can be attached to a metal surface. The second option is a clip mount, which can be attached to a window ledge or frame. Attach the metal plug on the end of the antenna cable to the rear of the desktop mobile. Rotate the plug so it locks into place. Place the antenna in an external location and as high as possible. If using a listen-only headset, insert the jack plug into the extension cable provided. Insert the black plug into the back on the mobile. To deactivate the speaker on the mobile, flick the switch on the right-hand side of the mobile. To attach the microphone, align the black plug with the socket on the front of the desktop mobile and insert. Turn the outer sleeve to the right to secure the plug into place. To power on the desktop mobile, hold the power button for 2 seconds. To adjust the volume, rotate the volume dial to the desired audio level. To change channel, press the left P2 and right P3 arrows on the front of the unit. To transmit a message, press and hold the PTT button on the side of the handheld mic. Wait a second and then clearly speak your message. Release the PTT when finished speaking and await reply.